Hi! In front of me is TCL 406, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and click on one of your chats or create a new one. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Sorry, my script. And to add an audio file, select Files section. Then click on Audio filter at the top and look for your file over here. You can also tap on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of those sources, like downloads. When you finish, just hold your audio file. And to add it, choose Select at the top right corner. In order to add a video one instead, click on this little icon with a camera and the photo, also at the bottom left corner. Click on Gallery section and look for your video. When you find it, click on it. Then select Add at the top right corner. You can also select Gallery section, tap on Folders and look for your video the same way as an audio file. Then hold it and tap on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!